Hey guys, it's Sharon and Joey. We wanted to show you how we make our favorite coffee every morning. We were avid K-Cup users for years, and then we found something better. We are now hooked on cold brew. I don't know the name of this. I found it on Amazon. I'll link it in the comments below, but doing cold brew is a total game changer. I'm telling you, the flavor is just out of this world. So I've got some of our favorite coffees up here that we have found. We have tried probably 30 different brands, 30 different types. Our favorite so far, we love Black Rifle. We have a few of those. This one my brother got us from Belize, I believe it was. Yeah, it's an espresso. It's great. We do a spoonful into each coffee that we do just for a little bit of espresso in with it. Another one that we love is Golden Hour by James Coffee Company that did a collaboration with Peter McKinnon. Golden Hour, it's one of our absolute favorites. We could drink it every day. And then Joey got us hooked on actual Pete's coffee. So we do that usually for our decaf coffee in the evening. Our favorite sugar-free flavorings, we love the skinny mixes, skinny syrups. They have a great promotion on the website. If you spend $20, then you get a free bottle. This isn't sponsored by them, so we don't get any kind of kickback. We just absolutely love the sugar-free syrups. So it's super easy. We'll show you how to make the coffee.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. So I log everything on MyFitnessPal, so I'm a little OCD. So I do actually measure my half and half when I'm making coffee. Depending on how much I drink, I generally do 1 ounce of half and half per cup. So excited. This one is maple bourbon pecan. This is a good flavor. We also love brown cinnamon sugar, which we don't have up here.
We also like this kind. I don't have it.
You don't have your white chocolate mocha?
No. Oh, it smells so good.
It does smell. Coffee is one of my favorite things to smell. I'll sometimes just smell the bags because I love it. It's so good. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to show you how easy it is to do the cold brew. On average, it says to do 8 to 10 grams per cup. So we have our food scale. I'm not very good at measuring. Okay, it's tiered out to 0. We're doing decaf coffee for tomorrow evening. We have a sleeping 4-month-old that's 10 feet away from us, and our favorite coffee, Pete's, is actual beans, and we're not going to grind it and wake her up. I just made a mess. But I've got my housekeeper 6 inches from me.
Hey.
38, a drop more.
39 will be the next one.
42, that's close enough. Good enough for government, so that's what we're gonna do. So you literally just stick that inside of there. So generally we use our water from our refrigerator. That's back there.
Yeah.
So the husband got us our Vitamix pitcher to fill it, just so you can see how easy it is. This is how easy it is to make a cold brew. So right now it's half full. I do what I call stir the flavor enhancers. So the grounds are just right here in the middle. We're stirring them into the water. You can literally see before your eyes it getting brown. The darker, the better. Yes. That is how easy it is to make cold brew. Stick it in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. We have 2 of these in our fridge on a constant basis, so we keep 1 for decaf, 1 for regular. So you can do 12 hours, or you can do what we do and do 24 hours. It's amazing. It's a game changer. I definitely recommend this over K-Cups, and I'm going to do this forever. It's locked in place. Now it goes in the fridge. Okay, thank you guys for watching. What should they do, Trin?
Like, comment, ring the bell.
And what else?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.